go. Oh yeah. This has all the welding gear. We have a 120 volt AC grinder which plugs into the top of the welder if we need it. Spare tools and parts. You ever break a motor mount? There's your chain. Get you back home. A Luma seal. All the fluids. A spare hub. Spark plugs. Radiator hose. Tire plug kit. 90 weight gear oil. Motor oil. Hoses, clamps, fittings, welding cable, clamps. It's all right here. And wide electric tape. Everything you need, especially goop. Each of these little zipper bags have either, for our welding purposes, a C-clamp. Since we're using stick weld, the chipper hammer, and all of the necessary other tools. On this side is another zipper bag. These soft-sided bags are great because they conform. You can stuff them in and they fit anywhere. Just a radiator hose repair kit, stainless steel Mechanix wire, JB quick weld, RTV, and all the other hand tools. Stubby sledgehammer. This is worth its weight in gold. One of these guys to reach in. And another thing I don't have handy, it's up front, is the telescoping magnetic tool. A telescoping rod with a magnet on the end of it. For example, if you ever break the stub shaft off on an axle, instead of having to remove the other side completely to push the broken stub out, you can reach in with that magnet and snap it and pull out to replace the axle. 6011, 7018, so 7018 and 6011. Carry both. To keep moisture out. This is this little cheapy style, and I went to the welding shop and we replaced the glass in there to allow for, because these are designed for MIG welding and not for arc, so I replaced the lens in there with a darker concentration to allow safe arc welding on the trail. Too many guys you'll see want to use stack a bunch of sunglasses together or something, and that's just not safe or good. We always carry plates, an assortment of handy items for when you need to fix anything. There you go. And ballpoint pens, you can make your last will and testament. Fuel pump, 12 volt fuel pump, spare hub, tire plug kit, radiator hoses, upper and lower, special socket, an emergency voltage regulator, and then yokes, spark plugs, front and rear U-joints, and then in a worst case scenario, a spare side plate for the shackle.